Here we are at Planet Fitness. Nice to see them. Yeah, I never thought I'd come to this gym, but it's literally 2 minutes away from my house, so I don't waste any gas. And yeah, about to work out for the first time in like, I don't know, 2 months. 2 months. Yeah, we get back on the grind. They start posting. This gym is 24 hours, so I could probably come in the night and record. Yeah, for now, gotta go in there and do some back. Get my fucking work vest. Fucking hate work, dude. Hate it. I don't belong in that warehouse, but I belong with the warehouse. That's what it is. So yeah, I had recently got a new car. I don't know. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but yeah, got a new car.